This is an interesting picture, Bafritu. Goalkeeper of Chipa United, the Nigerian international number one, is holding players after they made a mistake. There was a miscommunication between them because they could not clear the ball, and that ball was almost converted to a goal by Reyners. Yeah, so you need a leader like this because talent alone is not enough. You need someone who would lead from the back or from front, from anywhere, but a leader who's able to stabilize the team and a leader who's respected with a persona to push the team for better results. Nwabali is a great leader in terms of like pushing the players and making sure that everything is stable. Yabo. You can't have just random players, weak players with weak mentality when you are playing this beautiful game. So kudos to him. I mean, this is not a friends camp where you just have to relax. But when you make mistake, your captain, your leaders have to call you out. There are teams when I watch, they try to call out these youngsters or other players, but they're not even taking those instructions because they're just arrogant. But if you have a leader that you trust, a leader that can push you to the next level, a leader that is leading with uh, qualities and good example to push you. A leader that is also fighting. You can't lead people if you're not a fighter and a warrior too. Yeah, so this is a good thing. I think most of the teams or the players can learn from this small interaction.